Ever feel like you're missing out on the best years of your life? So many of us fall into this trap of believing that as we age, that we are going to become inactive. Look around at so many of my friends who are in their 50s and 60s and are doing less and less. And when I ask them about it, they say, well, my body's getting older. I believe very strongly that we can flip the script on this belief. Well, how do we do that? Well, let's dive into that. Friends, my name is Yogi Aaron, and I'm the creator of Ayama, Applied Yoga Anatomy and Muscle Activation. I'm a master yoga teacher as well as a muscle specialist, and I thrive in supporting other people in learning the techniques and secrets in how to live your best pain-free life. So let's dive into these practices and find out what those secrets are so that you can continue living your best pain-free life. Most of you know this already, that one of the best things that we can do for ourselves every day is just walking. Go out and walk every day. Go out and move your arms around. One of my favorite exercises, by the way, is just a simple movement of inhale, slowly bring your arms, reach up to the sky, and exhale, bring your arms back down. By doing these things, we start to create that mobility. We create that inner sense of activity. As we move the body and we create activity, we are able to deal with that stiffness. And I'm very lucky to also have a place on the beach at my yoga resort in Costa Rica, Blue Osa Yoga Retreat and Spa. And whenever I'm down there, and I'm taking delicious walks on the beach, I do that practice of bringing my arms and reaching up to the sky with every inhale, and then exhale and slowly bringing my arms back down. This very simple practice begins to shift the momentum of my emotional well-being. No matter how stressed or how overwhelmed or how uninspired I feel in my life, that simple practice of breathing and bringing the arms reaching up to the sky and feeling my breath expanding has a stupendous effect on my overall mental health and emotional well-being. Start developing a regular routine of practice and exercise. You know, oftentimes I'm asked by interviewers, how much exercise should I do? And look at, the more you do, the better off you're going to be. Think about how much gratitude your future self will have because of all of the time that you took right now to take care of this vessel. You know, one of the facts of life is that we are living longer and longer with improved medical care. So commit today to creating regular routines in your life. Some of those regular routines we've already mentioned, just doing that simple breathing exercise. It could also be gardening. It could be walking. It could be doing chores around the house. Any of those activities are just perfect. Anytime we start moving our body, it's going to have a net positive effect on you. I have a couple of other small tips in how to maintain an active lifestyle. One of them is nutrition. You know, one of the number one reasons why we become immobile and less active as we get older is because of pain. Well, where does pain come from? This is a topic that a lot of people don't talk enough about. Did you know that the root cause of pain is inflammation? Yes, inflammation. And did you also know that sugar is a huge cause of that inflammation? Get a bottle that is 2 liters and commit to drinking that bottle every day. My daily routine is to wake up and take an internal shower every day. As soon as I wake up in the morning, I always drink 3 to 4 cups of water. When I do that, I feel cleansed inside, I feel cleaner, and things start to move. And that's usually when I move some other things as well. The water helps to flush a lot of things out. So may it be for you. So many of us are walking around dehydrated. And by the way, one of the things that causes that dehydration are sodas and fake juices and all of these kind of sugary drinks. So limit your sugary drinks, drink more water, drink pure filtered water. It will change your life. So many of my students leave comments on my videos or send me personalized emails thanking me so much for these practices of muscle activation. These muscle activation practices are a game changer. And not only are they reclaiming their active lifestyle, but they're becoming pain-free. As they become more pain-free, they're finding out what it means to have an active lifestyle again. For myself, as I mentioned earlier, I've been using these muscle activation practices. I've been using the practices of eating whole foods and drinking lots of water. I'm 52 years old and I feel like I'm turning 35 today. What a blessing it is to have these practices available to me so I can continue living my best life. So where to begin? Sometimes when we make big life changes, we kind of jump into the deep end of the pool thinking that we're gonna know how to swim. And well, maybe you do know how to swim, but sometimes jumping into the deep end of the pool or into a deep ocean with huge waves isn't the best course of action. So I wanna recommend to you, start small. Do a little video every day. Do one of my short videos. Do an 8-minute practice. If you don't know or don't have an 8-minute practice, contact me and let me guide you through that, because I have a lot of amazing 8-minute practices that you can do. Get my book, Stop Stretching, A New Yogic Approach to Master Your Body and Live Pain-Free. In there, start to go step by step through the different practices. Take a few that you think you can do and start doing them. Anything you do, whether it's 6 minutes, 8 minutes, 30 minutes, or an hour, is going to be a net positive. Any extra water you drink throughout the day is going to be a net positive. So start small. Rome wasn't built in a day. And sometimes, as they say, it's difficult to teach an old dog new tricks. And no, I'm not calling you old, but sometimes we get stuck in our ways and we have to begin to flip the script on some of our habit patterns that may not be supporting us and helping us to live our best life. So start small. Start with that 8 minutes a day and notice at the end of the week how you feel. Start with that breathing practice. Inhale the arms up. Exhale the arms down. Do that for 10 times every day. Do it in a park as you're walking. Go outside into your backyard. If you don't live in a house, go onto your balcony in your apartment. Go somewhere where you can feel connected to nature. Share with me any kind of strategies that you use to stay active and motivated, inspired in your life. Also share with me below anything that you would like to add or any kind of questions you have. I'm always happy to share tips with you. But most importantly, please remember, sharing is caring. So pass this video on to anybody that you love, because I'm sure that you know people that can benefit from this knowledge and benefit from this inspiration. Namaste, my friends. Have a super wonderful day and be blessed.